The Little Chef's Surprise, a recipe for courage and deliciousness. In a cozy neighborhood, there was a girl named Hawa who loved cooking. She wanted to make something special for her family and friends. With her apron on, she went on a cooking adventure, gathering ingredients and spices. Hawa didn't know exactly what she wanted to make, but she wanted it to be amazing. She felt a bit nervous, but knew she had to be brave. She took a deep breath and started cooking. With each step, Hawa added her own style and a lot of love. She chopped, stirred, and seasoned the food, making sure everything tasted just right. As the delicious smells filled the kitchen, Hawa's loved ones came to see what she was making. They watched in awe as she cooked with confidence and determination. Finally, the time came to reveal the surprise dish. Hawa served her creation to her family and friends. They took a bite and couldn't stop smiling. They loved it. Hawa's dish was a success, and everyone praised her cooking skills. But it wasn't just about the food. Hawa showed everyone that with courage and passion, they could do amazing things too. Her family and friends felt inspired to be creative and face challenges with determination. From that day on, Hawa continued to cook with passion. She surprised her loved ones with new dishes, always bringing joy to their meals. She never stopped learning and trying new things, knowing that the real joy was in sharing delicious food with others. And so, the story of the little chef, Hawa, reminded everyone to follow their passions, believe in themselves, and be brave in pursuing their dreams. The end.